Contingent. 20 years of defending the rights of migrants, providing welfare services, establishing alliances and solidarity work, of transforming a traditional cultural group into a progressive organization, and working for a better Abra and a better Philippines. This sums up the history of the Abra Tingyan Ilocano Society in Hong Kong. Back in the 1980s, the existence of Abreños was traced. The innate culture among Ilocanos and Tigyans, building group of their own, led their way to BIPA, the first Cordilleran organization, and Mahal-Bika, a multicultural group. In October 4, 1992, when the Abra Tingyan Ilocano Society was born, winning the most outstanding Filipino organization in Hong Kong in 1999. Major highlights of the Federation involved a collective process which collected the leaders' own experiences in mass education, organizing, and mobilization. The increasing number of employment problems of the members led to the formation of a welfare group. In 1994, with the help of Unifil Hong Kong and the Mission for Migrant Workers, the Abra Migrant Workers Welfare Association, or ABWA, was organized, which became a focal point for strengthening the Federation of providing welfare services, not only to its members here in Hong Kong, but also to their families back home. Numerous welfare projects were established. Deep sense of community building set the grounds for welfare services to fellow Abreños. The Abra OFW Center was created in Benguet, one of the most remarkable welfare projects of ABWA and ATIS. A free airtime over DZPA was given for the leaders to speak on the issues of OFW. ATIS was able to assert that the issues of migrant workers should be recognized by the Abra local government. The vision of launching a migrant apostolate for the families back home was realized. In 1999, ATIS has reached its peak number of municipal member organizations. Foreign domestic workers in Hong Kong experienced the worst impacts of Asian economic crisis, when 5% was cut from our wages and the working conditions of domestic workers were getting worse, with the Philippine government imposing compulsory excessive fees for labor export. ATIS joined the campaign for the first time, when the Coalition Against Government Exaction was formed. This made historic remarks for the alliance. Certainly, ATIS organizations actively participated in mass actions. The active involvement of the Federation was evident in education and campaigns exposing the social and political ills of the Philippine government, as well as implementation of anti-migrant policies. Campaigns and protest actions against the World Trade Organizations in its ministerial meeting in Hong Kong in 2005 was also in light. ATIS contributed to the victory of the Gabriela Party List in Hong Kong. ATIS was a member of the International Migrants Alliance, an alliance of grassroots migrants, when it was established in 2008. With these achievements and struggles, ATIS has pursued a progressive agenda.
Dito kayo muna sa sentro kasi natatakpan nyo yung mga guests natin. Dito lang.
Social commitments.
Tangtangkot ka mga dito.
Moving forward in the progressive path, ATIS was equally involved in all campaigns for the protection of the rights and welfare of migrant workers in Hong Kong. Solidarity work is very much alive. ATIS resolves to carry on and move forward with perseverance in its education, organizing, campaign, welfare, finance, and solidarity work to further strengthen the Federation. In Inspirations were drawn from each other's gates. Lessons were learned from many militant actions. Weaknesses are recognized, and lessons are learned. Renewing commitments, celebrating achievements. Ladies and gentlemen, the Abra Tingyan Ilocano Society on its 20th anniversary with the theme, Persevere Towards the Path of Service, Solidarity, and Empowerment of Migrants and the People. Presenting the Bagakti Atis and its 15 militant, talented, and lovely muses from the 15 municipalities of Abra.
Kahit kay haba ng lalakbay, kahit tagaraw man ang magupit, kahit ilang libong tagulan ang sumabit, hindi tayo titigil. Dahil mithi natin palayain, bawat isa sa magaling. Sa gitna man ng gutom, kahirapan, pasakit, hindi tayo susuko. Kahit na may bagyo, kahit na may unos, kahit may libo-libong kaaway, kahit na magandi ang isang mag-iraw, sa ating dakilang hanay, tayong manggagawa at magsasaka. Sambayan ay muling babangon, ipagtatagumpay ang bawat labanan sa buong daigdig. Kahit kadaman ng libong armas, ang ating hukbo ay hindi aatras. Lakas ng masa ang ating sandigan, saan mang larang at digmaan. Kahit na may bagyo, kahit na may unos, kahit may libo-libong kaaway, kahit na magabi ang isang matiraw, sa ating dakilang hanay, tayong manggagawa at magsasaka. Sambayan ay muling babangon, ipagtatagumpay ang bawat labanan sa buong daigdig. Kahit na may bagyo, kahit na may unos, kahit may libo-libong kaaway, kahit na magabi ang isang matiraw, sa ating dakilang hanay, tayong manggagawa at magsasaka. Sambayan ay muling babangon, ipagtatagumpay ang bawat labanan sa buong daigdig. Ipagtatagumpay ang bawat labanan sa buong daigdig.
Ate,